seconds to go now for the detonation. Let's listen now.
हिंदुस्तान समय की पाबंदी नहीं है.
This side. Twin towers to come crashing down, and what you're seeing right now is a huge spread of the dust. The debris has been largely contained, but we can confirm to you that this looks like it was a totally successful demolition. Has gone. First images of the buildings right next to the Twin Towers suggest that things have gone on quite well. There doesn't appear to be any immediate damage. Of course, that will be much more apparent once an inspection is completed. But the dust cloud, the huge dust cloud that is now pervading that entire area and will spread. It will rise and it will spread, and that becomes the most immediate concern at this point of time. That dust cloud, the clearing of the debris, is going to be the immediate emergency issue.